Hi guys, myself CMA Banu. I'm accounting faculty in Shikhara Tutorials. Now in this video, I'm coming with great news regarding to the CMA Inter study hours and revision examinations. So this is a post results batch. We're going to provide you services for only group 1, only group 2 or both the groups. The schedule will be commenced from 18th August 2025. So the modes are available of these course. We are going to provide the revision exams in two modes, at campus mode and next one online mode. If you want to join only in the online, you can enroll by using the website called as www.shikharatutorials.in. So next, at campus means we are going to provide you the study hours plus revision exams. We are going to provide you two facilities, study hour facility and revision exams. The study hour facility will be available for 24 hours. So if you want, you can study by 24/7. So next one, at campus mode, if you want to write either group 1 or group 2 examinations, we are going to charge 12,000 rupees. And next one, if you want to write both the groups, we are going to charge 15,000 rupees. In online, if you want to write group 1 or group 2, that 3,500. If you want to write both the groups, 6,000 rupees. The students, those who are studying in Shikhara Tutorials, for them we are going to charge at a free of cost. So what are the specialities of these revision exams? The total syllabus we have divided into the 10 weekends, and every Sunday we are going to provide you the service. We are going to conduct the exam, and at last we are going to conduct two grand tests. One grand test and second grand test. For the second grand test is same like a final examination. Valuation will be done in 2 to 3 days. So totally from 18th August onwards, we are going to have 16 weeks. In these 16 weeks, 10 weeks we are going to cover from chapter wise examinations. After that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, we will be in the grand test mode. Okay na guys? How the exam will be conducted, sir? If you apply for the group 1, we are going to conduct 100 marks examination on the every Sunday. In these 100 marks, each subject we are going to get you for 25 marks. That means 25 into 4, that is equal total how much? 100 marks. In these 25 marks, 6 MCQs, that is 12 marks. 1 7-mark question and 1 8-mark question is going to provide you. That means if you enroll for only group 1, you will write one exam for 100 marks for 3 hours. If you enroll for second group, you are going to write the same exam. Okay na? For group 2, 100 marks. Each subject how many marks ma? 25 marks. We are going to give 6 MCQs, 12 marks, 7-mark question and 8-mark question. Sir, if you take both the groups means you need to write group 1 exam and group 2 exam. Okay na guys, that means you need to write both exams. That means you need to write 200 marks examination at Sunday. Morning 1 exam and evening 1 exam you can write. So this is the examination pattern clearly. Now I will show the syllabus how we have divided. If you apply for only the group 1, law divided into how many parts ma? 10 parts. Every week 25 marks for law, and next one FA 25 marks, and DT 25 marks, and costing 25 marks, totally 100 marks. So like that 10 weeks we are going to provide you the service. After that we are going to provide you the grand test. If you enroll for only group 2, so what are the subjects in group 2? First one is called as OM and SM, 10 weekends. And next one, corporate accounts and audit, 10 weekends. And next one, FM and BDA, 10 weekends. And next one, management accounting, 10 weekends. So if you attend for both the groups means you need to write 200 marks examinations in 8 subjects, 8 into 25, that is equal to 200 marks. Group 1 morning and group 2 afternoon. So this is the overall information about the revision exams and study hours. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.